Today we're going to go over snaps, which is a dry swing drill. This one is working on our bat path to the ball and also is a great forearm and wrist strengthening exercise. On this one, we'll start off with our two-handed snaps, and what you would be doing here is just getting set up like you're going to hit normal. Have your tee in front of you if you can, so that way you have a target that you're going to. And so we're basically just setting up here. We're going to get into position, go through our normal load, and then we're going to snap and get to contact. At that point, I'm just going to hold my body position, take a look that my lower half is squared up to the ball like it should be, that my bat is squared up to the ball. From there, I'm just going to pull the bat back, then snap it again to where the ball would be. As I'm doing these snaps, I'm trying to make sure that when I pull the bat back, I'm pulling it back to like my shoulder, so it's higher than my hands, and then when I snap, it's probably going to be lower than my hands, unless it's a high pitch, then it would be even with them, okay? But for the most part, it's always going to be from high to then snapping to a lower spot. On this, it's also showing us that our grip should stay nice and loose, that when I'm going to the ball, that it's a loose grip, and then I snap, that's when the grip squeezes to get there. And if you're doing these for like reps, you could do it for like 10, and on your 10th one, then finish your swing, okay? So that would be our two-handed snaps. We can then break it down and go one-handed, starting with our top hand. I move my hand to like the neck of the bat to do this one. Get back into position, same thing here. I'm gonna take my body to the ball and snap it through, and then again, just work through this zone. And this should be working on me taking a nice smooth path to the ball. Don't be surprised if the first time you're doing it, your bat's kind of going all over the place, as it's got to learn how to control itself to these spots. But the more you do it, the more consistent that path is going to be, which will carry over into when you're actually hitting the ball, okay? Same thing here, I would set up 5 snaps and then finish my swing, okay? On my bottom hand, again, I'm going to choke up to the neck of the bat, get back in position, come to it, go ahead again. I'm trying to bring the bat all the way back to my shoulder and then to contact, and then we'll finish the swing. Another variation that you can use with the snaps is just changing up your locations. And again, just going through and now doing like outside pitches and working your snaps through here. So you can notice that when I got to this, my angle is slightly different, that I'm attacking that inside half, driving it to opposite field, okay? Then I can move to inside pitches, working on again, getting my bat path squared up and angling the way I would be attacking that inside pitch. And then also could do high and low. And high is kind of fun, because it definitely takes a little bit more strength to be able to keep your bat up at a higher location and attacking a pitch and staying in the right path for that one.